In front of me is HONOR Magic5 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can change display refresh rate. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling down just a bit to access display and brightness. When you're ready, scroll down again, tap on Screen Refresh Rate and select the best option for you by clicking on it, Dynamic, High or Standard. I will go with High, so when I click and go back, I can see that screen refresh rate of my HONOR has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!